We're here today to make a very exciting announcement around, I guess, a partnership between ourselves and our brand Maggi, as well as the Fijian Drua. So we're really excited and think this is just like a marriage made in heaven between two great brands and two loved brands by Fijians all over. And the way we're going to execute that partnership is through, I think one of the most exciting kind of in-store promotions that have been executed in this country for some time, and that is our collector card promotion, which we'll be running with our MP5RL, our 5-pack chicken product in all major supermarkets around the country. So it's already in supermarkets now, and it runs right through till the end of May, so right up until the end of the home and away season for the Super Rugby comp. And shoppers will get the opportunity to collect one of 30 available cards in every pack of the 5-pack chicken. So shoppers just look for this pack in store, and inside that will be one of these cards. And as I say, there's 30 in total to collect. And those we've included both the Fijian Drua as well as the Fijiana. So there's 12 Fijiana cards to collect and 18 Fijian Drua cards to collect. The other thing to keep in mind also for shoppers is that there'll be 5 lucky shoppers who, if they find a golden card in one of these packs, they'll instantly win a signed Drua jersey, signed by all the players, which is obviously something that I'm sure most people would love to have. So certainly, get out there and buy your MP5 or your 5-pack noodles. There's only 5 jerseys to be won, so that's limited. But the fact of the matter is that every pack is a winner for everybody because they'll get a card to collect in those packs. So we think it's a great promotion and certainly something that we think is going to create a lot of excitement in the Fijian market for shoppers and consumers alike. So if you get into stores now, you'll see all the wonderful point of sale and posters up in stores and the product there as well to buy. So we'll also be present at the game on Saturday. So we're going to have a Maggi sampling area where we'll also apparently have some players to sign merchandise, posters that we'll be giving away. So certainly get down to the game on Saturday. It's going to be a great spectacle.
The Drua has been fortunate enough to have attracted very significant sponsorship support from a range of companies, many of whom are global brands. And you can't get more global than the Nestle group. And in Fiji, you can't do much better than Maggi noodles. It's one of the 5 top selling items in supermarkets. It's in the family's weekly grocery list, and it should be even more popular for the next 6 weeks because it will have a collector card from one of our players. 18 men, 12 women, as Tim just said, and 5 golden cards that provide a signed jersey. It reminded me when Tim first put that proposal of the movie called Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, where chocolate wrapped in gold.
Yep.
And it's a bit similar here. There's 5 lucky people who will get a signed jersey when they find those 5 golden cards. I'm told by Tim that there's 800,000 cards being distributed, which is 800,000 opportunities for our brand and our players to enter family kitchens across Fiji. So it's a fantastic opportunity for us. We're thrilled with the partnership. We're delighted to welcome Maggi and Nestle to our sponsor Vivale. We look forward to a growing and a long relationship with Nestle, and we thank them for their support.